Enabling headsets on your Chromebook. Chromebook volume can be controlled with your keyboard buttons located in the top row of your Chromebook. You can also click in the lower right hand side of the screen where the time is displayed. Clicking on it brings up the volume control and access to the settings. If you click on the tiny headset icon, you will be able to choose the output of your sound. If you plug in a headset or speaker, you should be able to see them here. The device selected for use with the Chromebook are checked with the green mark. Change it to what output you want to use here. In the status tray, you can also find Bluetooth devices that your Chromebook is able to connect to. By clicking on the Bluetooth icon, you can see the devices, and by clicking on them, you can pair them to your Chromebook. When you do this, make sure Bluetooth is on both devices. If you encounter any issues, please contact Student Help Desk at studenthelp@bbsd.org or by phone at 815-372-6988.